So we're off, setting off up here. It's 975 metres to the summit. The summit's flashing with lightning. Well, we're on our way. We're in Imlil and we're just setting off in true desert style this morning. We're rushing around, forgot half our kit, had to stop off and rent a head torch on the way. Then we get to the start and we didn't have our passports. The hotel had told us to leave our passports in the safe. Fortunately, we had a picture of them, so hopefully that's enough. We're not going to get turfed off the mountain halfway up. So we are hiking up to the refuge. I think we're at 1,900 metres we start at, so I think it's probably about a 1,000 metre climb, and I think that's situated about 3,000 metres, and then we'll stay there for the night. In the morning we're up early, and then we'll do the final push up to the summit, and then tomorrow we'll hike back down to Imlil, then back to Marrakech. Super! Okay, so we've took the high route, which was pretty technical, and it was like when I looked at my Garmin, it kind of like deviated off the route that I thought we'd gone. But it comes to light that what we've done is we've had to bypass the security checkpoint because we didn't have our passports. So we'll see what happens. Good evening. Well, that's us. We're in the refuge. We've had a shower, we've had our tea. It's a little bit crazy in here. It's full of there's a big massive French party and there is a party going on there. But anyway, it's great to see people having fun. It's 4 AM start for us. Tomorrow morning we've got breakfast and then the guide said it's about 3 hours up to the summit. Now the weather's supposed to come in the afternoon, some rain. I mean, it's showered today. In fact, it hailed at one point. But the weather's supposed to be alright in the morning. It's certainly perked up tonight, some great views. So hopefully we can be up there onto the summit and back down before any weather comes in. And then it's a drop down to Imlil and then back to Marrakech. Absolutely stunning trip. Just the views are amazing. It's just great to be back trekking again after so much running over these past few years. So I've really been enjoying this. Mara's just chatting to the kids. So we're just going to get to bed now. What'll be a first? Got to bed. Well, certainly first for Mara. Got to bed at 7:30, 8 PM, and then we'll be up at about 3:30, 4:15 breakfast, and out at 4:30 for an early start. So we'll see where we are in the morning. Let's see. So it's 4 AM. It's lashing it down. It's not looking good, but we'll just have to get on with it. It's just unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. Unfortunately, the weather front that was forecast to arrive in the afternoon was already upon us by the time we were setting off. So we're off. Setting off up here. It's 975 metres to the summit. The summit's flashing. Is that lightning? As we departed, there was a flash of lightning followed by a rumble of thunder. As we ascended higher, these outbreaks became more frequent and a little too close for comfort. As the rain became heavier, we decided to seek shelter under an overhanging rock.
No, it's definitely
No.
Do you often get lightning and thunder and hailstones?
As the rain turned to hailstones, some of the groups turned back round and started to descend.
They're going down.
Yeah, we're coming back down.
Are they not doing it?
No.
Why?
By now we were soaked to the skin, so reluctantly we also set off back down to the refuge. A river crossing, which was reasonably straightforward on the way up, was now a rapid torrent. It is fair to say we were glad to be back at the refuge in one piece. We're back. We've had to a boat.
I think it's going to be the death of it, to be fair. I think that was pretty hairy now.
So, Herculean weather out there. It's like Scotland. Absolutely horrendous. We've got about 200 metres. I had to turn around and come back. So we're going to see what happens. But our guide's not feeling well, so I don't think he's that keen to go back up. We'll see what happens. It's just absolutely miserable. You just wouldn't believe it's like Gran Canaria all over again. But anyway, we'll see where we are in 2 hours. 4 hours later, we discussed options with our guide, who unfortunately was struggling with food poisoning. However, he did agree to take us back up the mountain as long as we stayed another night at the refuge and paid him for an extra day. With improved weather, we set off for summit attempt number 2. approaching the top, we can see the summit, and the cloud has broken away. It's been absolutely brutal getting up here. Our guides struggled with real bad tummy issues, but he's pulled us up. Fair play there. Probably got, I don't know, not long, but at the moment it's clear at the top. What's an absolute miracle, because it's been claggy all day, you never know. So fingers crossed. Well, not sorry to see that place. What a hike that was, but we got up and down. A miracle, considering that when we started this morning there was thunder, lightning, you name it. But anyway, we're up and we're down now, so really good trip. I think I'll leave it there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you would like to see some other stuff, why don't you just subscribe, because I've got some really good stuff coming over the next couple of months. Catch you later, bye.
And that's the peak.
No.
Where?
No.
There.
No, it's at the back of the.
Okay.
That's somewhere different, that.